Presley wants you.
Subway. I tell you, what's a Subway?
Dad.
Sit down along Subway.
Can you say Presley?
Bishop.
No, it's you. This is on you. You can't see yourself. Presley, Presley. Smile.
Dumb.
Did you just call me dumb? Did you?
Dumb.
That's what I thought. Presley, Presley.
Bishy.
You're so silly. Hi. You say hi, Auntie E? Hi, E. Can you say pig? Savannah, look at me and say pig. What does the pig say? What does the pig say?
Oink, oink, oink.
Quit it. Don't do that. Be a big girl. Big girls don't do that.
I'm no big girl.
Quit. Come here. Stop it.
No.
I'm about to get you down.